Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from College Dunya. Today I am at Sri CJ Patel College of Computer Studies, Visnagar, Gujarat. Today we are having with Dr. Ronak Patel sir. He is a principal in Sri CJ Patel College of Computer Studies. Hello sir, welcome to our Education Portal College Dunya.
Hello everybody.
So start with the questionnaire session sir. My first question is, you have held key positions at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So sir, what are the key factors that keep you connected with the education sector?
Yes, sir. Actually, education sector is one of the important sectors of society because it creates future of the nations. So it is my privilege to nurture the future of the nation. When you work with the education sector, you are working with the young people. So you can feel the feelings of young generation and it also make you feel young. Thank you.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question is, being the principal of Sri CJ Patel College of Computer Studies, what is your philosophy of leadership? How would you describe your leadership style?
Yes. Actually, I have been working over here from last 16 years in Sri CJ Patel College of Computer Studies. I have an experience of more than 8 years as a principal in this college. As far as my opinion is concerned, leaders should lead from the front. As a principal, I need to work with students, faculty members, and management. I believe that trust is the most important factor in any relationship. My way of leadership is that I have a full trust in my faculty member as well as in my students.
Very nicely explained, sir. So coming to the next question, the education systems in India and other foreign countries are structured very differently. So in your experience, what can an inbound student gain from studying here in your college?
Yes, I agree with you that the structure of education system in India and other foreign countries are different. Our Indian cultures and our traditions make our nation different from the others. In our Sakarjan Patel University, we have a flavor of Indian cultures and traditions. Apart from computer syllabus, we add the subjects like yoga and universal human values that makes the student ready to face the challenges and opportunity in the life.
Very nicely explained, sir. So coming to the next question, how does the curriculum of your college ensure the best practice of industry?
Our college is running BCA course. Today we can't imagine the world without technology and computers. Our curriculum includes all the aspects of information and technology. We teaches a subject like C language, C++ language, HTML, Office automation system, networking, DBMS, web technology, cloud computing, Java, PHP, .NET, etc., etc. So all these subjects make students ready for the industries.
Very nicely explained about your college curriculum, sir. So jumping to the last question, any suggestions you would like to give to the current youth and the current experienced students?
Yes, I would like to suggest the students that never give up in your life and believe in yourself. Believe is always true.
Very well said, sir. So, sir, thank you so much for giving such informative information about your college, sir. Thank you, sir, for being a part of college.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.